Number 1. Kill the old identity. You cannot build a new life while holding on to the old story. Stop talking about who you used to be. Stop talking about your past failures or your glory days. They are dead. To start over, you must grieve your old self, bury it, and introduce yourself to the world as someone new. Number 2. Radical elimination. If you are at 0, you cannot afford distractions. Cut the dead weight. Cancel the subscriptions you don't need. Sell the things that clutter your space. Delete the apps that steal your attention. You need to be lean. You need speed. Baggage slows you down. Number 3. The environment audit. You cannot heal in the same environment where you got sick. If your friends are lazy, you will be lazy. If your apartment is chaotic, your mind will be chaotic. If you can move, move. If you can't move, change the room. Change the route you walk to work. Shock your brain with new surroundings. Number 4. Monk mode. Disappear. For the next 6 months, you are not a socialite. You are a builder. Say no to the parties, the dinners, and the dates. You need isolation to concentrate. Use this time to learn a high-value skill. The market doesn't care about your passion. It cares about your value. Build value in the dark so you can shine in the light. Number 5. Physical reconstruction. When you have nothing else, you still have your body. It is the only asset you own 100%. Train it every day. When your body gets stronger, your mind gets harder. Discipline in the gym translates to discipline in your bank account. It is the foundation of self-respect. Number 6. Violent execution. Stop planning. Stop waiting for the perfect strategy. Perfectionism is just procrastination in a suit. Pick one path and attack it with everything you have. You will make mistakes. Good. That means you are moving. The world respects motion. You are not starting from scratch. You are starting from experience. Comment, I'm mastering my life, if you are ready to begin.